The CEO, Prince Tech Global Ventures Limited, and the founder, Prince Technology and Community Development Foundation, we are known for technological innovations, facilitating change, empowering people, and enabling progress. Energy is the lifeblood of the modern world, and is of paramount importance for the modern industrialized economy. Yet about 600 million people, representing about 70% of those living in sub-Saharan Africa, still do not have access to electricity. It is disheartening to know that Nigeria, with a terming population of over 160 million people, has less than 4,000 megawatts of total energy installed capacity, with so many communities without access to electricity. Imagine a community of over 2,500 dwellers, 8 villages, and has been in existence over 100 years without access to national grid. This is the pathetic and the disheartening story of our community. In Anambra State, Nigeria, members of the community have resorted to fossil fuel generating cells as their only source of energy, and this has resulted to social, economic, and environmental problems at the community. But the questions are, if not us, who? And if not now, when? Motivated to take action, provoked by such atrocious observation, and determined to rebuild, restore, and achieve our national liberation and social emancipation, we have fostered groundbreaking solution geared towards installing over 100 kilowatts of solar mini-grid solution at our community to fuel economic growth and add smiles on the faces of the members of the community who have suffered so long as a result of unavailability of power supply. Our Prince Technology and Community Development Foundation, we believe that there is no greater force for change than a team of persons that are invested in one another and in the lives of those their work is intended to serve. With total commitment to our vision statement, achieving the results we seek at our community is not an option, but a must. Thank you.